eating it. Now the ingredients. We will be needing fruits, I'll tell you, blueberries, kiwi, strawberries, and papaya. You guys can use any fruits you have at home. We also need some popsicle molds, water, a blender, and sugar. So first, we are going to blend the fruits and put them in separate bowls because we are making popsicles with color layers. So first, we're going to take the strawberries. I'm so happy we're making popsicles. We are going to put 1 spoon of sugar, now we're going to add some papaya. Now let's add sugar. Now let's blend it in. I like making popsicles. Whoa, it's so cool. Beautiful purple. Pull it in. Now we are going to pour the fruit juices little by little into the popsicle molds. First, we are going to pour the red. Now the papaya juice to top it off. Really, Sahana. So we can make it into the freezer. The hard part, waiting. We need to pop these in the freezer. Yay! We need to freeze them for 4 hours until they become hard. Okay, the popsicles are ready and now we're going to see how they look. They look completely frozen. Yeah. I can't wait to eat. Look at my... They look so good. Super good. We have also a baby. His name is Vivon, and he's not in his chair. Okay, so this wraps up our video, and I hope you guys enjoyed making popsicles with us. Thank you for watching. See you next time on the World of Art. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Bye! We got to tell something. Fruity Popsicles. Can you record? But they're still sugar.